Top 6 campsites in the Himalayas. Sangla Valley. One of the undiscovered camping destinations, but it will not dishearten you. It is located at 2,600 meters above sea level in the valley, boasts the majestic Kinnar Kailash peak as a backdrop. Bhimtal. An adventure paradise at an altitude of 1,370 meters above sea level, where major attraction is the picturesque Bhimtal Lake along with ancient temples. Har Ki Dune. A cradle-shaped hanging valley at an altitude of 3,566 meters at the base of Fateh Parvat. Dhanolti. One of the consummate hubs for trekkers and campers. This hill station is situated about 24 kilometers away from Mussoorie. Dharamshala. This hill station is situated in the hills of the Kangra district, and it is renowned for its breathtaking views. Manali. A breathtaking summer destination and an exciting camping spot, Manali is an unmissable stopover on the national highway to Leh in the Ladakh district.